Good evening, students. So we are continue the series sex and reproductions, and in this episode we are gonna discuss a very small topic. The topic is very important, and so we are discussing about chromosome. So, dear students, what is actually the word chromosomes? What actually the word chromosome? So, the first point, the chromosome, it comes from the Greek word. Comes from what? Greek word. Chroma and soma. So, the word chroma means color. Chroma means what? Color. And soma means body. So they combine together to form a word chromosome. To form what? Chromosome. Okay. So dear students, chromosomes are the tightly coiled strands of DNA. Strands of what? DNA, right? So chromosomes are the tightly coiled strands of DNA, or it can define as condensed condensed form of chromatin. Condensed form of what? Chromatin. So dear students, what is the word chromatin? So the word chromatin, it consists of the two words. It forms by DNA plus histone protein. So, dear students, you have to know that the point is very important. So, the condensed form of the chromatin is known as what? A chromosome. Is known as what? Chromosome. So, dear students, the DNA, you have to know DNA. It is known as deoxyribonucleic acid. It is a polymer of nucleotide. It is polymer of what? Nucleotide. And you can see the nitrogenous base, pentose sugar, and the phosphoric acid. So, dear students, so the deoxyribonucleic acid or the DNA, it is a polymer of the nucleotide, and it has acidic group H3PO4, phosphoric acid, and because of the phosphoric acid, the charge on the DNA is negative, whereas the charge present on the histone protein is positive. And this histone protein, it forms an octamer. It forms what? Octamer, in which the DNA it touch. Students, the chromosome is very important because in the chromosomes genetic instruction is present. What is present? Genetic instruction. So chromosome contain genetic instruction. Genetic instruction. Okay. So the chromosome, it contains genetic instructions and it makes an individual who we are or who you are, starting from the color of the eye to how tall you are. Entire everything, every information and everything, it is present in the code form in the DNA. And the what? And the DNA. So that is why you have to know it contains genetic instructions. Okay, for the who you are, starting from your the eye color and how tall you are. That is really very important word. So, dear students, the next question is why we are interested to know about chromosome in our series sex and reproductions. Why we are showing the interest? Why we are interested? So, dear students, you have to know in human total number of chromosome is 46, and out of the 46 chromosome, in male and female, 44 chromosomes are same. Okay, they are known as what? Autosome. 44 chromosomes are same. They are known as what? Autosome. But the remaining one pair is known as what? Sex chromosome. And this sex chromosome is different on the male and female. So the sex chromosome of the male is XY, whereas in the female is XX. Okay. So why we are interested to know about the chromosome? Because of the sex chromosome. Because the sex chromosomes, it determines the biological sex of a child. Why? Because of sex chromosome. Because of what? Sex chromosome. And this sex chromosome, it determines the biological sex of a child. What? Biological sex of a child. In the next episode, we will going to study the biological sex, how the chromosome determine the biological sex. So thank you to all of you, and if you are still confused to subscribe our channel, so I want you to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get the regular updates about the series sex and reproduction. Thank you.